Hey, what's going on? Alright, this song is called SongBird. Starts out, put your feet down, shoes on, get out of the house. Move a little bit slower now. You walk down the alley and you say hello to the sun. The rays blind you and you run. So hold your brother with your arms and love your mother for all her hard work, and know that you'll be okay. It's in your hands and don't you stray, and I'll be your songbird at the window. I'll be that songbird at your window, waking you up when it gets too much. Put your right foot forward and your left one hits the ground. You pull the large door handle and descend upon the town. There's a staunch white picket fence overlooking all these people holding on to trends where nothing is permanent. When the wine isn't fit, darkness is split, and everything else is a big heavy hit. So hold your brother with your arms and love your father for all his hard work, and know that you'll be okay. It's in your hands and don't you stray, and I'll be your songbird at the window, and I'll be that songbird at your window, and I'll be your songbird at the window, and I'll be that songbird at your window. Waking you up when it gets too much. Thank you.